and today we're going to be doing slime. So today I have a special person. It's my brother. Jasper. Hi. Now we're using some pink glue, Elmer's glue, blue glue, and some purple glue, and some glitter for later. Here's some shaving cream and some dynamite, the activator. Let's get started. Squeeze it.
Sounds like fart.
Okay, that's all I'm gonna add. A cat sees a bird and she's meowing at it. It's gone.
This is taking a long time right now.
Okay.
I did not sign up for this.
I like mine. Mine's jiggly.
Okay, now I'm getting into this. This is my first time doing this.
Ow. I'm so glittery. I'm gonna add some yellow.
Snack time.
We're gonna be using straws.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Hi guys, we're back to slime and I'm just added some purple glitter. So now it's the end of the video, so please like and subscribe. Bye! And also I have to go get ready for ballet now, so bye.
Put that in. Oh, me! Ah! You guys are so annoying! Okay. Shut up!
Wow.
Just